Guys, welcome to Mold Cleaner LLC. So this is a video of a wooden deck clean that I got because of door knocking slash uh, distribution of flyers. And it happened on this day. I was just coming from my mom's place, passing through the neighborhood, a certain neighborhood, and I noticed that this neighborhood was dirty. There was like layers of dirt on the concrete, the driveways of the houses, and it was kind of wet. So I was like, maybe let me just drop a couple of flyers here. Really, guys, I was just testing something because sometimes you look to see if the neighborhood looks affluent and it looks like there's money there. This particular neighborhood didn't look like there was money there. It was like the usual people. But I still went and dropped about 5 flyers at some houses. And lo and behold, a week after, I got a call from a gentleman. I was on my way to work and he told me, hey, I got your flyer and I have a wooden deck here that needs cleaning. Can you please come over and see what needs to be done and if you can do it before I leave for the weekend, because I'll be leaving, I think on Sunday or something, he said. So I went there. We set an appointment and I went there on that Saturday and I saw the place, and right there and then I quoted the job. He paid me and then I started the job. So this video is about just that. Now if you look at the video, you see there I have my face mask on, but I'm also using a pump sprayer, which is kind of not a cool idea. That pump sprayer made me to stay over there for about 3 hours. Hey guys, if I used an X-Jet, X-Jet injector, I would have been out of there like in an hour. But I spent the whole 3 hours. And that's not really a cool idea because we need to be very proficient in order to make the money. Time is money in this business. The more jobs, the faster you can do a job, the more jobs you can force within a day. We basically have like 11, 12 hours of daylight to work. So imagine if you're doing like 3 hours, 4 hours a job, you basically can maybe if you squeeze it in, maybe you might do like 3 jobs a day, but on the average, you do like 2 jobs a day, working at 4 hours per job. That's not really smart, guys. So yeah, I advise myself to buy an X-Jet injector to use the next time for my subsequent jobs. So that's me there using this pump sprayer. But another advantage of it I saw, because I had to handle these jobs slowly. I took notice of the real corners of the railings there where the dirt was. I took particular notice of them, and I had to spray and clean all those areas. And make sure when you're spraying using these sprayers, I'm trying to dodge it because it was like overspray coming right back on me. And that's chlorine, man. It gets in your skin, it burns your skin. Okay, so try to spray in the opposite direction of where you're standing. Don't be standing right on the spot and you spray right in the position you're standing, like overhead. You're gonna have overspray coming back on you, especially when it's windy. Okay, so for you guys who are new business owners or haven't started in this business yet but have interest, I gave you the permission to watch the video. It's about 12 minutes, 30-minute video. Watch the full 30 minutes. Gain visual experience. It's going to give you confidence, and you're going to be bold to go out there, knock at people's doors, and execute. And I wish you all the best, okay? Whatever your dream is, you try to achieve through this business, you will get it, you will feed your family, and you will prosper. So before I leave, I also would like you to please like, share, and subscribe at the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so peace, have a good day, and all the best. Bye.
What's it, what to go, Yahoo, like blow my baby trumpet. She fine, she marama. She fine, and she marama. Her beauty self in a jara. As you can see, you know they hide you. She know like wahala. I go they call her this name, but she happy. I do go one mama, baby. On my litter, oh baby. Adama, baby. You are the girl of my dream, oh baby. On no budget boys, baby. Queen of the East, oh baby. Is it Bongwa, baby? Now only you I want, oh baby. Oh I want you. There'll be something where I no go do, just for you. And now because of you, I go leave up your new choo-choo-choo. Oh, yeah. Make I blow my baby trumpet. She fine, she marama. She fine, and she marama. Her beauty self in a jara. As you can see, you know they hide you. She know like wahala. I go they call her this name, but she happy. I do go one mama, baby. Oh my litter, oh baby. Adama, baby. You are the girl of my dream, oh baby. On no budget boys, oh baby. Queen of the East, oh baby. Is it Bongwa, baby? Now only you I want, oh baby. Oh I want you. I love you, Bakamishi. Oh baby, I baby. I love you, Bakamishi. Bakamishi. Oh my baby. Runs up happy.
against the clock. Go, don't stop. We against the clock. Head hell hot to the north. Run up on me, you can get squished. Big dogs jumping on the porch. Clock ticking, leave it on the field, on the court. Do this for fun and for sport. Team going long and you coming up short. Crossed up, make them touch the source. Ain't no turnovers, we hitting on fourth. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.